Download Visual Studio and download the source code. Start the installer. Go on. Game will wait for you. Select Desktop Development with C++. Add the optional packages for MFC and CLI and start the installation. This should be a 7 GB download. Extract your source code file from GitHub. Go into the directory and open the SLN file in Visual Studio. It will prompt you to retarget the project. Just select OK and use all of the default options. The last step involves adding a compiler flag. Right-click on the project name in Solution Explorer. Select Properties. You can also press Alt-Enter to open the same thing. Click the C++ drop-down on the left, then Preprocessor. Open the drop-down on the right for preprocessor definitions. Click Edit. Scroll down in the top section and add a new line with this flag. Repeat the same steps for red alert. The next step is everybody's favorite part.
Building.
Right-click Tiberian Dawn in Solution Explorer and click on Build. This is going to take a while, so the footage is sped up. Make sure that when it's done, you have 1 successful build and 0 errors. You can also use the other window to check for warnings and errors, which both should also be 0. Next, go into the bin directory and select the DLL and the PDB files. Go into My Computer, Documents, C&C Remastered, Mods, Tiberian Dawn, and create a directory. You can name this anything you want. Inside that, create a new directory called Data. Copy the 2 files from the build into that new directory. Go back up 1, and here you will have to create a descriptor file. Go back into Visual Studio, create new file, text file, and paste this template. Save it as ccmod.json and give it some name, description, author name, and make sure that it says td or RA on the bottom. Save the file, drag it to the directory next to the data directory. Start the game on Steam. Go into Options and Mods. Find your mod in the list and add a checkmark. Click OK and click Restart. Go back to Options, go back into Mods, and make sure that your mod is now enabled. Try starting a game to make sure that it doesn't crash.